Looking for creative ways to display your plants? Today, we're diving into the world of DIY garden pots and planters for creative displays. We've curated a top 5 list, counting down from 5 to 1. Stick around to discover some innovative and fun ways to showcase your plants. Starting off at number 5, we have hanging pots. These gems combine creativity with convenience, offering a space-saving solution that adds a unique vertical dimension to your garden. Hanging pots are a unique way to make your garden stand out. At number 4, we have recycled containers. These containers offer a rustic charm that's second to none, while also promoting a sustainable lifestyle. By reimagining waste, you're not just creating beautiful garden displays, you're also doing your part for the environment. Recycled containers not only look good, but also promote sustainability. Painted clay pots take the 3rd spot on our list. These pots offer a unique opportunity to personalize your garden. You can paint them to match your garden's theme, or let your imagination run wild. Painted clay pots add a personal touch to your garden. Coming in at number 2, we have the wooden pallet planters. These dynamic planters are incredibly versatile, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. With a flair of rustic charm, they can transform any space. Wooden pallet planters are a versatile addition to any garden. And our top pick at number 1 are the DIY concrete planters. These not only offer robust durability, but also lend a chic, modern look to your green space, blending functionality with style. DIY concrete planters are a durable and stylish choice for any garden. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for DIY garden pots and planters for creative displays. Each choice, from hanging pots to concrete planters, exemplifies creativity and uniqueness. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration.